Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Monitoring AI in Production. Keeping your AI healthy and safe. Imagine you build a fantastic new app. It works great initially. But what happens after you launch it to millions of users? Does it keep working? AI is similar, but even trickier. We need to constantly check if our AI is doing its job well, accurately, and safely, especially after it's out in the real world. This is AI monitoring. Think of it like a doctor regularly checking your health or a mechanic regularly servicing your car. As developers, we want to catch problems before they become big issues and impact our users. When you write a traditional program, you tell it exactly what to do, step by step. If it misbehaves, you can usually trace your steps and find the bug. AI, however, often learns from data. It's like teaching a child. You give them examples, and they figure out the rules. Once launched, an AI might make decisions based on complex patterns it learned. And it's not always obvious why it made a specific decision. This mystery box nature makes monitoring crucial. We can't just look at the code. We need to observe its behavior in the real world. How do we know if our AI is actually helping users or making good predictions? We use performance metrics. These are like test scores for your AI. For example, if your AI recommends products, you'd want to know its accuracy, how often it recommends something a user actually buys. If it identifies spam, you'd care about precision. Is it only flagging spam? And recall, is it catching all the spam? As developers, we set up systems to track these scores in real time to see if our AI is still getting good grades and meeting its goals. Imagine you train an AI to predict fashion trends based on data from last year. What happens when new styles emerge this year? Or if your AI recognizes cats, but suddenly people are uploading pictures of new, exotic cat breeds it's never seen before? This is data drift. The real-world data that your AI sees in production starts to look different from the data it was trained on. When this happens, your AI might get confused and start making bad predictions. As developers, we need to monitor for these shifts in incoming data to ensure our AI remains relevant. Even if the incoming data looks the same, your AI might start behaving differently. This is model drift. Maybe a small bug was introduced, or its internal learning parameters slowly shifted, causing it to perform worse. More subtly, concept drift happens when the asterisk meaning of the problem changes. For example, an AI detecting credit card fraud might become less effective as fraudsters develop new techniques. The concept of fraud has evolved. As developers, we monitor the AI's predictions and outcomes to detect these subtle changes in its effectiveness and adapt. It's not enough to just know a problem exists. We need to be asterisk notified immediately. Just like a smoke detector warns you of fire, AI monitoring systems trigger alerts when something goes wrong. E.g., accuracy drops below a certain level, or data drift is detected. As developers, we configure these alerts and define actions. This might mean sending an email to the engineering team, automatically retraining the AI with fresh data, or even rolling back to an older, stable version of the AI model to prevent further issues. So, how do developers actually set all this up? We use various tools and techniques. We integrate robust logging into our AI applications to record every decision and input. We build dashboards that visualize key metrics over time, so we can see trends and anomalies at a glance. We use specialized monitoring platforms, some open source, some commercial, that help automate data collection, anomaly detection, and alerting. It's about creating a robust system that gives us visibility and control over our AI's health, ensuring it runs smoothly 24/7. Monitoring AI isn't just a technical chore. It's fundamental to building trustworthy and successful AI products. Without it, your AI could silently degrade, leading to bad user experiences, financial losses, or even safety risks. By actively monitoring, developers ensure their AI remains healthy, performs as expected, and adapts to a changing world. It allows us to continuously improve our AI, build user trust, and ultimately deliver more value and a better experience to everyone using our AI-powered applications. It's how we keep our AI healthy and safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.